everyone, welcome to Valen Reviews. Today we're back with another Beatbo review. You might remember my old one.
Your old Beatbo review? Oh yeah, I remember that. Which one's Beatbo? This guy. So what do you want to review? Shall I move these out of the way?
No, they're my friends. When we got it, it was a little bit dirty.
Yeah.
But it came in a bag that said eBay.
Came in a bag that said eBay.
That means Papa bought it from eBay.
That's right, I bought it from eBay.
It came today.
It came today.
Let's start.
Let's start.
Let's turn it on.
Oh. Get ready.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. Woohoo. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, this guy's on too.
Number 6. 6.
Maybe we can record. Cool.
Everyone like the picture for this? Number 10. Number 8. Number 6.
Woohoo! Anything else you'd like to add, my son?
Dance party.
Here he goes.
Are you ready to do the ABC dance? Let's go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Freeze dance! When the music stops, you freeze! Okay, let's dance! Don't freeze! Don't move! Let's go! And freeze! Be very, very still! Let's dance! And freeze! Here it goes! Okay, let's dance! That was fun! Now we're done! Let's count and move! 1, 2, 3! Stop, stop, stop!
And when you press his tummy,
6 people! Do-do-do-do! People! Do-do-dee! Wiggle, wiggle!
Wow, that was interesting.
That's my dummy!
okay guys, that's all for today.
All right, smash that subscribe button. Gently tap it. Do you have anything to say?
Stocks, everybody.
Stocks. Bye.